Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable gingerbread garland, and I'm going to show you the power of a paint pen. This is a kit that I have, but you can also find items that you can use at Hobby Lobby or the dollar store, and just anywhere that has a crafting section you can find something to create this gingerbread house garland with. So follow along. I'm just going to paint it, and then you're just going to see it come to life with a white paint marker. Enjoy!